Welcome. This is a video based upon chain rule, some questions from the past papers using sometimes graphing calculator and sometimes without graphing calculator based upon the chain rule concept. So let us do that. The number of bacteria in a dish after t minutes is given by this one. Find the value of n when t equals to 0. When t equals to 0, so what is that is going to be n equals to 800 times e power 0, so which is going to be 800. So at the beginning it is 800. Find the rate at which n is increasing when t equals to 15. So what am I going to do that? dn upon dt. So 800 times e power 0, e power 013. It is 0.13. Then 0.13 t. So what am I going to do that? I am going to find the derivative of that one. It will be 0.13 t times 0.13. Now when t is 15, so plug in 800 times e power 0.13 times 15 times 0.13. So when I do that one, what am I going to do that? You can directly use the calculator and do. I am doing by chain rule. 800 times e to the power of 0.13 times 15, then times 0.13. When I do that, I will be getting it out 731 in 3 significant figures. Then after k minutes, the rate of increase in n is greater than 10,000. Find the least value of k. After k minutes, the rate of increase is this is the formula for rate of increase. So 800 times e power 0.13 t times 0.13 is greater than 10,000. So what am I going to do that? I am going to get the value of t. You can use the graph this one on the graphing calculator and graph this one and find the point where it is greater than 10,000. That is the easiest way. So what you will be getting it out? K value is 36. Now this question is without GDC. An experiment is carried out. Now find the exact value of k, where n equals to 650 e power kt. T is the time after the beginning of the experiment. So at the time of beginning of the experiment, t equals to 0, n equals to 650 times e power 0, which is 650. The number of bacteria doubles every 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, it becomes 1300 equals to 650 times e power kt, 20 minutes. So now without GDC, so e power 20k equals to 650 divided 1300 divided by 650 is 2. As such is asking without GDC, so apply ln on both sides. So 20k equals to ln 2. So k equals to ln 2 divided by 20. The rate at which the number of bacteria is increasing when t equals to 90. So for part B, so what is that? dn upon dt. dn upon dt will become 650 times e power kt times k. So at 90, so 650 times e power k value is, just now we got ln 2 divided by 20 times t value is 90 times k value is again ln 2 divided by 20. Simplify that by calculator, you should be getting 509.734. 3 significant figures, 510. Question number 27. F of 1 is 2, f of prime of 1 is 4. Find the derivatives of the following functions at x equals to 1. So dy by dx will become 2f of x times f prime x. I want at 1, so 2f of 1 times f prime of 1. So dy by dx at x equals to 1. So which will be 2f of 1 is 2, f prime of 1 is 4. So answer is going to be nothing but how much? 16. Now coming to the second one, f of x square. Y equals to f of x square. Square is only for x. So dy by dx will be equals to f prime of x square times x square derivative is 2x. So it becomes f prime of 1 square times 2 times of 1. So it becomes f prime of 1 times 2. f prime of 1 is nothing but what? 2 times 2. So answer is going to be 4. Now 28th question, given that f of 1 is given, f prime of 1 is 4. Now find the derivatives at x equals to 1. So dy by dx will become 3f of x whole square times f prime x. So 3f of 1 whole square times, what is this, f prime of 1. So what does it becomes? 3 times 2 square times 4, which is going to be nothing but how much? 48. Now f of x cube is only for x. So in that case, f prime of x cube and x cube derivative is going to be nothing but what? 3x square. So f prime of 1 cube, which is 1, times 3 times 1 square. F prime of 1 times 3. F prime of 1 is nothing but how much? 4. F prime of 1. So 1 cube is 1 itself only. F prime of 1 will be 4 and times 3. F prime of 1 is 4 times 3, which is going to be 12. That's going to be the answer. Now f of 1 is 2, f prime of 1 is 4. Find the values of this one. So ln f of x derivative is 1 upon f of x. F of x derivative is f prime of x. So it becomes f prime of 1 divided by f of 1. So f prime of 1 is nothing but how much? 4, and f of 1 is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now again, square root of f of x. Every time derivative is 1 upon 2 square root of f of x. Then f of x derivative is f prime of x. So 1 upon 2 square root of 2 times 4. So which is going to be nothing but what? 2 upon root 2, which is square root 2. That's going to be the answer. Next, question number 30. Find the derivative of this one. So it becomes 3 f prime of x divided by, now this is quotient rule, so we cannot directly write like that. So what am I going to do that? Use the quotient rule for finding the derivative. G of x minus 1 whole square, then g of x minus 1 times 3 f prime x. Next time 3 f of x will remain as it is, and derivative is g prime x. Now at x equals to 0, plug in those values. 3 times of 1, then minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 times of 4 times of 5 divided by negative 4 negative 1 whole square, which is going to be negative 3. Find the derivative of part B now. So f of g of x plus 2x. So first of all, it will become f prime of g of x plus 2x. Then chain rule times g prime x, and 2x derivative is 2. Now plug in those values. You will be getting it out. F prime of g of x is negative 1 and 2x is 2. Then again g prime of x is 2 plus 2. So which is nothing but how much? F prime 1. F prime 1 is 3 and times 4. So what is going to be the answer? 12. Question number 31. F of x given, find the possible values of sin x for which f prime x equals to 0. F prime x will become sin 2x derivative is 2 cos 2x. 2x derivative is 2. So 2 cos 2x plus cos x derivative is sin x. So 2 gets cancels. So I'll be getting it out cos 2x minus sin x equals to 0. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x minus sin x equals to 0. So when I factorize it out, I'll be getting it out 1 plus sin x times 1 minus 2 sin x equals to 0. So either I get sin x equals to negative 1 or sin x equals to half. Sin x equals to -1 is negative pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Sin x equal to half is pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. Question number 32. Find the value of dy by dx. Product rule, e power 3x times sin pi x derivative is cos pi x times pi. Next time sin pi x will remain as it is. E power 3x derivative is e power 3x times 3. Smallest possible value for this, which should be equals to 0. So I can take e power 3x common, e power 3x common. So when I take e power 3x common, so I'll be getting it out 3 sin pi x plus pi cos pi x equals to 0. So what does that becomes? 3 sin pi x plus pi cos pi x equals to 0. So 3 sin pi x equals to negative pi cos pi x. So tan pi x equals to minus pi upon 3. So that is pi x equals to minus pi upon 3. Pi x equals to minus 0.80845. Tan inverse of this one is this minus 0.80845. But now what do I require it out? I require positive value of x. So in order to get the positive value of x, what am I going to do? That is, I'm just adding it out pi. When I add one pi, it goes one full circle and becomes a positive value. So 180 degrees, because for tan alpha, we know the general solution is pi plus alpha. Whatever you get it out answer, just add it out pi to get the next answer. This answer is already negative. In order to make it positive, just add pi. It becomes 0.7426 or 0.743. Question number 33. F of x is given. What is f prime x? So what will be f prime x? 3 cos square 4x plus 1. Cos derivative is negative sine 4x plus 1, and 4x plus 1 derivative is 4. Then exact value when this one will be equals to 0. So negative 12 cos square 4x plus 1 times sine 4x plus 1 should be equals to 0. So either cos square 4x plus 1 should be equals to 0, or sine 4x plus 1 should be equals to 0. So when is cos 0? Cos 0 is at pi by 2. So 4x plus 1 should be equals to pi by 2. 4x plus 1. So 4x equals to pi by 2 minus 1. So x equals to pi by 8 minus 1 by 4. Now, in order to get another one, what am I going to get it out of another angle? What can I do it out is, I can add 2 pi to this. If at all I get 2 pi, another angle, what am I going to get it out is 3 pi by 8 minus 1 upon 4. Whereas for sine 4x plus 1 equals to 0 should be 4x plus 1 should be equals to sine 0 itself only. But now over here the x value is coming negative, but I want only x values should be positive. So therefore I am going to take only two values, which is pi by 8 minus 1 by 4 and 3 pi by 8 and 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Question number 34. Find f prime x. So this is quotient rule. So x plus 2 whole square, then x plus 2 times derivative is 2x plus 5 minus again x square plus 5x plus 5, and x plus 2 derivative is 1. So when I simplify, I get x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 whole square. Now this should be greater than 2. X square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 whole square is greater than 2. When I simplify this, x square plus 4x plus 5 is greater than 2x square plus 8x plus 8. Bring all the terms on one side. X square plus 4x plus 3 is less than 0. You can draw the graphing calculator and check that when this quadratic equation is less than 0, x lies between negative 3 and negative 1. That's going to be the answer. So we stop this one in this part. For the next part, see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.